Zealous, here's where you pick your weapon. You're gonna need raritanium for this stuff, but we'll use some of mine for now. All you gotta do is pick one of them cells. These things chain together. Go ahead and fill out the whole chain. Alright, just confirm the transaction and the deal's done. Hey, you surrounded a mystery cluster. Now that's gonna give you a big boost. That's all there is to it. Give it a spin on one of your own.
I still don't know what the fuck I just did. I think I just upgraded one weapon, that's it. Oh shit. What the fuck is going down here?
There's a lot of bad guys.
It's a fucking war down here, man. Alright, Novalis.
You may have noticed we are in the midst of a small incident. We are working hard to contact the guards so we can find a resolution. But until they return our calls, it's probably best to remain in your home.
Boy, stop fucking with me. Oh. Ultra Instinct. Never mind. Tink. Tink. They better quit playing with me. I need my bombs. Ugh. Huh. Merc, 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 merc.
Everything works on our side, so when you get a moment, give us a ring.
That kind of sounds like Invader Zim. Better back up. Better back up. Better back up.
That must be the mayor's ship.
This is a transmission for the Galactic Rangers. Please, assistance. This is Adnan Buckwat, mayor of the Toll Tracer of Novalis.
That fucking sounds like Invader Zim, bro. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. I'm just throwing like a bunch of fucking grenades, bro.
Out of ammo.
Who's even shooting back? Who's shooting back? What the fuck? Oh, I got a fucking card. Let's see what this card is. No, no. No! What? You were waiting around a corner for me. You knew I was about to go for that healing. He knew I was about to heal. He was waiting around the corner for me. What the fuck? What the fuck? And this is that bullshit. You died. I don't even know if I'm hitting them, bro. I just really love throwing these grenades, bro. They're just the best weapons in the game. Well, so far, because I see that I have more weapon slots. Oh! Oh! You know what? I think I noticed that my audio's a little too loud. I'm gonna turn that down. Wait, you can randomly switch your fucking game mode mid-game. That's fucking funny. You know, if we can, I'd rather play with no music, but we'll do like mostly sound effects. Come on, bombs. Take care of them for me. It's not looking good for me, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, let's finish this shit. I gotta do it my way now. You did, didn't you? I'ma hit you. Bitch, you big ass bitch. I'm over here fixing shit for the enemies. So I'm breaking boxes, smashing crates, and more enemies are coming. Here you go. Come on, get that ass beat.
Oh, hello there. I'm glad you're here. I've been... Hey, have we met before? Because I'm getting a touch of the old deja vu.
I don't think so.
Huh. Well, guess the old think tank could use a good plumbing. Anywho, I've been trying to get a distress call to the Galactic Rangers ever since Drax's forces showed up.
This entire region is overrun with Blargian dropships. We need to get you out of here.
Well, I can't go anywhere until I get this here infobot into the hands of Captain Quark.
We were on our way to speak with him when our ship was shot down. Perhaps we could take a look.
Oh, sure thing. I swapped it from one of those blog soldiers. Here you go.
Oh, hello there. I'm Alonzo Drek, chairman of Drek Industries. Many of you may be wondering, why are 300 heavily armed warbots marching ominously towards a Class G dread ship? The answer is simple, friends. Progress. Years ago, we were driven underground by pollution that may or may not, but most definitely was, caused by my father's company. Since then, we've shifted focus from robotics to planet building. Now that our project is nearing completion, we must do everything possible to stay on schedule.
Building
In this
planets.
case, it means our friendly army of warbots must vanquish those who would seek to stop us. Good news? They don't know we're coming. So sit back, relax, and take comfort in the knowledge that Drek Industries is working for you.
Drek Industries is not working for you.
No!
Yeah, at least his fat ass is in a rush. Look at this, man. I'll fuck with him.
Did that guy just slide down a sewer pipe?
Bitch!
Let's give it a shot.
This is fucking dope, bro.
That was awesome. Want to do it again?
Okay, let's see what we got here.
And so, Ratchet and Clank set out to fix their ship with the help of the plumber. Little did they know they would soon come so close to greatness, they'd be able to hear its mighty biceps ripple. But first, they'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine, Killjoy.
Well, you look about all fixed up here. Now promise me you'll get that infobot to Captain Quark.
I promise. Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you in the next reboot.
Ah, that's fucked. The fourth wall does not exist in this game, like, at all. The fourth wall is not a fucking thing. There is no cube. We are headed to Curran, everybody.
Too late. The invasion has started. Scan the emergency channels. We need to find out what's happening on the ground.
Attention, all units! The Hall of Heroes is under attack. Repeat, enemy ships are now in the central district of Aliro City. Galactic Rangers are under heavy fire at the Hall of Heroes. And there's a Blarg transport closing in fast. Brace for warbot reinforcements, Rangers. All civilians, evacuate the area.
We must assist the...
All right, everybody. We made it to Kerwan or Kerwin, Aliro City. I'm gonna have to end the episode here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this playthrough so far. Just let me know what you guys want to see, or what you guys don't want to see. And when we come back, we will destroy the Blarg armored transports, take out the armored transports to cut off the warbot reinforcements through the city, and beat the rest of the fucking game. Well, we won't beat the rest of the game in the next episode, but sometime during the series. Anyways, this is your boy Callous Recreation, and I hope you guys have a fucking horrible fucking day. Just about it. Fuck your day. I don't give a fuck.